Nicely timed from Duckett, who was a bit offline. At the moment, it's England who are putting the pressure on these opening bowlers.
There is that shot. He found mid-wicket earlier in the over. Fuller and edged. Has to get down. He doesn't.
That flies through the vacant slip region. Hit hard. Skimmer. Now reverse sweeping, catches it on the full. Beats mid-off, who's quite wide but not wide enough. Immediately pulled away by Duckett.
Very short boundaries, 2 batters set. Duckett goes down the ground. Gets it over Inglis, who premeditated the shot from Duckett, and
Duckett uses his feet and slams that down the ground.